Hello, this is Plasma Color and I'm going to show you another review of the LEGO Star Wars Advent Calendar 2012 review. And today it's day 11 something. And yeah, I'm going to open it and it's going to be exciting, I think. I hope so. And now I'm doing it. Hey, that was easy. And we got a half cannon. It looks like this. So, this is cool. Okay, that was that. Yeah, and now I'm going to build it. Yeah. Okay. What about this? I just wrote something here that you maybe can see. Whatever. It's almost okay. That. And is it this? I think so. Yeah, no, it isn't. But it's like this. There. Almost done. And like that. Oh, this is a little bit hard. Okay, now I have built it. There. So that is cool. With one extra piece. Yeah, so this is very cool. It's like this. Yeah, so that is that. And subscribe, like, or comment, or see the video many times. Use. And this is Plasma Color, and I have done this review, and tomorrow it's number 12, who is there, and it's the last, second last on the line there. So yeah. Goodbye, and I'll see you tomorrow if you watch. Goodbye.